Are you tired of dead air during clutch moments in Valorant? Let's dive into how to fix your voice chat and get you back in the game communicating and dominating. First, let's check those in-game settings. Click on the settings icon, that gear symbol, in the top right corner of your screen and select audio. Now, let's tackle the voice chat settings. Make sure voice chat is enabled then. Check your input and output devices. Ensure your correct microphone and headphones are selected. Adjust your input volume to a level where your teammates can hear you clearly. Test it out. If your mic still does not work, try changing your voice chat mode to team only or party only to see if that solves the issue. Next, let's ensure your microphone is working outside the game. Go to your Windows sound settings and check your input device. Ensuring your microphone is selected and recognized, speak and see if the input meters bounce back. If not, double-check the physical connections of your microphone. Now, let's check Windows microphone permissions. Navigate to your privacy and security settings and then to the microphone settings. Turn on microphone access. Ensure Valorant is allowed to access your microphone in the list below. The final step is to examine your network connection. Poor connection can sometimes interfere with voice chat. Ensure you are not experiencing any latency issues. Switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection if possible, or by checking your internet speed if all else fails. Restarting your computer can often refresh the system. Following these steps should get your voice chat up and running, which means more wins and less frustration. Now go dominate those ranked games.